Hello, welcome to my channel again. If you're not new here, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Christina Quarton and I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger over at ChristinaQuarton.com. I talk all things Christian faith, lifestyle, fashion, beauty, family, you name it. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about a clothing rental subscription company that I have been using this month that I love so much. So we're talking about Nuuly, as the title of this video says. Nuuly. Okay. So if you are familiar with clothing rental subscription companies, it's pretty much kind of like how you would, say, rent, I don't know, a movie from Redbox or something, right? You rent it for a certain amount of time and then you return it. Same with clothes. Sustainable company, phenomenal company. And what you do is you get to rent 6 items every single month, keep it for the whole month, wear it as many times as you like, then you return it and you rent another 6. So love this company so much. It's $88 a month. There's no hidden fees. $88 includes the shipping, the handling, the laundry, because you don't have to clean the clothes. You can send it and return it dirty. Any repairs that needs to be done, say by mistake, you get a rip or something on the clothes, it's all included in the $88. And so you're probably thinking to yourself, why would I want to spend $88 a month on clothes? Do I need that many clothes? Well, it depends on your lifestyle. I know for me, as a fashion blogger, as someone who's constantly in church every Sunday, going to doctor's appointments with my kiddos. So enter Nuuly. This is only my first month. It's been phenomenal. Now, I do want to mention that I am working with them. However, I'm not working with them on this platform. I just love the brand so much that I figured I would make a video about this. So I'm going to do the unboxing with you. When I got this from the UPS, they dropped this off at my door. It had my label information, mail label information, but I took those off obviously for privacy purposes. But this is what it comes in. And it's interesting. No lock on it. Comes just like this from the UPS. This is a more sustainable way to ship because I believe this bag is made out of recycled bottle, but don't quote me. But what I do know is that you're not going to throw this out. This is reusable, right? So this company is all about sustainability. Amazing. And what I love about it is kind of the brands that they partner with are great brands like Anthropology, Free People, Urban Outfitters. I mean, these are brands that I typically would shop anyway. So that's great. Now, let's get into the bag. So, open it up. Okay. So the inside has a little pocket here that has my return label information when I'm ready to return all of the items after a month, right? And these are the things that I picked out. So for the first month, I go on the website, I go through a whole bunch of amazing things that they have, and I chose 6 items. Now, what I really wanted to do this time around was choose things that I would not typically buy. And what I mean by that is not things that I don't like. Obviously, I like them, right? But I wouldn't typically buy it because of the price point or because I thought I wouldn't get a lot of wear out of it. Like I think about cost per wear when I purchase things. But because this is a rental clothing subscription company, and I know that I'm not bound to this, I know that I paid $88 for 6 items of clothing that I can wear over and over within a month and return it and get another 6 pair. That's why I decided to go a little bit on a different route with the items that I selected. So let's open it up. And the first thing I selected, which I loved so much on the website, oh my gosh, are these AG jeans. Whoa, these are a high-rise, baggy fit, straight leg jeans. Has the cuff on the bottom. I've seen these jeans on social media. I've seen them on people, and I've always wanted a pair, but it was just so pricey, right? So I'm like, ugh. For somebody who doesn't really even like to wear jeans like that, I never invested in it because, well, first of all, clothing, let me not say that, but I never invested in it because I figured how much wear am I going to get out of it based off the cost. So these are the AG jeans. They are phenomenal. AG is like top quality jean brand. They do denim really, really well. These jeans, A1. Let me give you the specs. So the title is the cuffed ankle wide leg jeans. I bought them in a size, well, let me say rented them in a size 30. They retail for $245. If I were to buy them out, meaning that I decide, hey, I really like these and I want to keep them, I would pay $122.45. So that's a 53% discount. So guess what? I am actually buying them because I love them that much. And I believe that I'm going to wear them 50 billion times. So for me, cost per wear, I'm keeping these. All right, let's go to the next thing. The next item that I got is this really cute top. This top is from a brand called Let Me Be. It's called the Zuri cropped cami. They say that it's cropped. Yeah, it's cropped. I got it in a size 6. It retails for $118. But if I were to buy them out, I'd pay $69.62, which is 41% off, which is really, really good. I personally would never spend $70 on this top because I don't think I'm going to wear it that often. But it's so cute. It's so cute that I'm happy that I rented it. So I can get quite a bit of wear out of this for a really good price. And yeah, it's super cute. So that's what I mean by I selected items that I would not typically buy. Really cute things, but the next thing that I ordered is this Free People lavender or purple wool coat. I have been searching for a lavender or purple coat for a long time now. I'm a coat girl. I have more coats than I'd like to admit, but I don't have a purple coat. So the reason why I haven't purchased any is because I know I have so many coats, and every season, every winter, fall season, I don't even get to wear all the coats that I have. So that's the reason why I haven't purchased one. So I was so glad to see one on Nuuly and be able to rent it. This one I rented in an extra small. It's kind of like that baggy look. It's called the Adore You wool coat. It retails for $228. But if I were to buy it, which I'm seriously considering, I would buy it for $95.76. Let me tell you, that is a 58% discount. 58% discount for Free People to get a coat under $100 for Free People. Top quality. I'm seriously considering it. Seriously. The next item I got is this sweater dress, okay? This sweater dress is like a color queen's dream. Color block operating here. It's so amazing. If I'm honest with you, I got this item because I wanted to wear it with the purple coat. I realized that the purples don't really match, but I still think that I'm gonna wear it together. So this is how it looks styled together. This is from a brand called Farm Rio. Never heard of them before, but it's a really good quality. I got it in a size small. It's called the Sherbet Tunic Sweater Dress. And it retails for $188. Now, if I was to buy this out, I would be paying $199.94 with taxes. So you don't get a discount on this. I'm wondering why. Actually, Farm Rio is an anthropology brand. Says it right here. That's why the quality is so amazing. Love anthropology. But I would not be spending $200 on this sweater dress ever. So while it's cute, while it's amazing to rent and wear for a month, I'm not buying this outright. The next thing I got is this. Blush moto leather jacket. This is from Blank NYC. And I love Blank NYC. Like, they do leather really, really well. And this color, I love leather jackets. I love moto jackets. I think that they're so cool. They can be styled up and down, and it's so versatile. But never had a pink one. And for me, it's like I never got a pink one because it's one of those, I'm not going to wear it often. I'm going to get like 2 good outfits out of this, and I'm going to be forcing myself to wear it if I purchase it. So that's why I never bought one. When I saw it on Nuuly, I'm like, have to rent this one. Love it so much. So this is from Blank NYC. Really amazing brand. Let me give you the specs. It's called the Lovesick Moto Jacket. It retails for $128, which, to be honest, is not a bad price because this is like top quality. But if I were to buy it outright, I would be paying $93.44, and that's a 27% discount. So while I love it, while I want a pink moto jacket in my wardrobe, for something that I'm not going to wear often and it's limited to certain seasons, I don't know. So, but it's so cute. It's so cute. And the last item that I rented is this. This dress here. Let's talk about this dress, okay? This dress is from Free People, which most people know Free People. It's an amazing brand, top quality. This is kind of like a maxi blush dress. It's called the Lily of the Valley maxi dress. And I got it in a size medium, not because I'm a medium, but because they didn't have any size smalls available. And I literally got this dress because I saw the model wearing the Blank NYC moto jacket with this dress. And I said, that pairing, it works well. I have some boots that it'll look good with. These are the boots. I have to get this. Like I said, this is not something that I would ever buy because I find that the price per wear, it's not in my favor. It's a cute dress. It's something that I also would not ever buy because I am a modest fashion blogger. I don't really wear anything that has that plunging neckline. That is why I'm wearing this with a cami. But I knew that I could style it in a way that looked super cute, super fun. And I wasn't paying outright for it. So this retails for $168. If I buy it out, it would be $75.59. That is a 55% off discount. I personally think that that is a good price for someone who is like a really good fan of Free People, because I think that this dress, you can get a lot of wear out of this and you can style it so many ways. Some other specs about Nuuly that I love. There's something called Closet Plus on the website where it allows you to save items that you really love and maybe you want to rent it out for the following month. So it makes this like a really organized process so that there's items that you're scrolling through and you see like, oh my gosh, this will really work next month. You can save it to your closet and you can refer back to it and rent it for the following months. So those are my 6 items. I hope you really enjoyed it. I hope you are influenced to start this journey of, you know, sustainable fashion and renting out clothes from Nuuly. I think it really helps. I think that what the pandemic did was open up our eyes to see that a lot of the things that we were investing in didn't profit us anything, right? So we got all these clothes, shoes, you know, material items, and then we were in lockdown. So when we were in lockdown, we couldn't wear any of it. And then we realized, did I even have to buy this, right? So that's why I love this clothing rental subscription company for so many reasons. And if you're somebody that's super busy, you're always going to functions, you're always going to outings, maybe you're doing a ton of Zoom meetings and you don't want to always buy new stuff, try out Nuuly. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Also, when the month is up, all you have to do is just use the return label that they place inside the bag, put it on the top, and ship it off to UPS, and they'll handle everything. Like I said, there are no hidden fees. There's nothing that you have to worry about. You can wear your clothes as much as you want, like it is your clothes. And then when the month is up, just return it and select 6 more items. So if this video was interesting to you, if this video was helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and click on the notification bell because I'll definitely be doing more of these videos in the future. And if you want any referral codes or any discount codes, make sure you look at the description box below. Take care.